Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this episode we'll be installing the new eXtremeRate DTF LED kit for the PS5 controller, and by the end of this video our DualSense controller should look like this. But first, let's unbox the LED kit and go through the installation process, which is quite simple and straightforward. Since we are going to disassemble the controller, I will use this opportunity to also change the front and back plates, which were sent to us by our friends at eXtremeRate. You will find a link to all the products in the video description. Inside the box we get the LED kit itself, full set of clear buttons including thumbsticks and all the necessary tools to disassemble the controller. So let's get started, guys. First we have to remove the front face plate and the L1 and R1 buttons. A total of 4 screws have to be removed. Next, we can carefully pry open the DualSense controller. Now we have access to the internal components of the controller. We have to disconnect and remove the battery and the battery tray, which is held by one screw. After disconnecting one ribbon cable, we can remove the battery tray and unplug 4 more ribbon cables. We have to remove 2 more screws. Then we can gently lift the main controller board. 2 more screws are located underneath it. Now we are able to separate the controller board and the front controller shell. So next, guys, we have to replace the original DualSense buttons with the clear ones that came with the kit. As I said earlier, I will also be replacing the front shell with this awesome looking gloss carbon one provided by eXtremeRate. The touchpad PCB can be removed easily after heating with the heat gun. Then we can place it on the new carbon touchpad. Now let's place the clear buttons on the new front shell. Clear thumbsticks are also provided with the kit, so we can replace the old ones as well. But before we do that, we have to place the LED kit. First, we have to carefully align the conductive pad. That procedure is done much easier if you are using a set of tweezers. This part of the LED kit is attached firmly to the thumbstick with some adhesive. Do the same thing for the left thumbstick. We can now put the clear thumbsticks and we are pretty much done with the installation process. All we have to do is reassemble the controller. Before placing the battery, we have to connect the wire that's coming from the LED kit to the controller board. Then we can place the battery and connect it to the appropriate connector coming from the LED kit. After 2 more screws, we can put together the 2 parts of the DualSense controller. eXtremeRate also provides different faceplate designs, and I actually reviewed some of them in one of my previous videos. The last step is to attach the L1 and R1 buttons. So guys, now let's test the LED kit. To turn it on, you have to press the up, right and square buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds. It looks like we've done everything correctly and the LED kit turns on. To change to one of the 9 different color modes, you have to press the up and square buttons for 5 seconds. Using the right D-pad button, you can cycle through the different color modes. To be completely honest with you guys, this was one of the easiest and yet one of the coolest looking mods I've done to the PS5 DualSense controller. There is no soldering involved and the whole process shouldn't take you more than 30 minutes. The new glossy carbon fiber front shell further complements the look of the controller, and overall I'm extremely happy with the end result. I hope you guys like this build, and you can find links to all the products in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.